Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge technology with our top 8 coolest gadgets from Amazon that you won't want to miss. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just love gadgets that make life easier, we've got something for everyone. So let's jump right in. 8. Inbotebo Air Robot. The Inbotebo Air Robot represents a leap into the future of home automation and companionship. With its sleek design and advanced AI capabilities, EBO Air seamlessly integrates into daily life, offering practical assistance and entertainment in equal measure. From controlling smart devices to providing real-time video monitoring, EBO Air ensures peace of mind with its security features while also doubling as a playful companion through interactive games and voice command interactions. Its ability to learn and adapt to user preferences makes it more than just a robot. It becomes a personalized assistant, effortlessly enhancing productivity and connectivity in the modern home environment. The Inbotebo Air Robot is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology at home. Combining cutting-edge AI with a charming personality, EBO Air navigates seamlessly through its environment, effortlessly managing tasks like scheduling reminders, playing music, and even offering educational content through its integrated display. Its expressive eyes and responsive movements create a dynamic presence, fostering a genuine sense of companionship. Whether monitoring your home while you're away or simply engaging in conversation, EBO Air adapts to your needs, becoming an indispensable part of daily life with its versatility and intuitive design. 7. Airley Pro. The Airley Pro is a versatile wireless transmitter designed by 12 South, catering to the evolving needs of modern technology users. This compact device revolutionizes how we connect our favorite audio devices to wireless headphones for speakers, particularly in situations where traditional wired connections are unavailable or inconvenient. Its sleek, pocket-sized design belies its powerful functionality, enabling seamless transmission of audio from devices like smartphones, tablets, or even in-flight entertainment systems to Bluetooth-enabled headphones or speakers. One of the standout features of the Airley Pro is its dual functionality, but it also serves as a receiver, transforming any aux and jack into a Bluetooth receiver. This flexibility means you can use it to upgrade older car stereos, home audio systems, or even wired headphones, making them compatible with your Bluetooth devices. The device supports Bluetooth 5.0 for reliable, high-quality audio streaming with extended range and minimal latency, ensuring a smooth listening experience whether you're streaming music, watching movies, or taking calls, with a user-friendly interface and intuitive pairing process. 6. Portable Coffee Maker. A portable coffee maker is a game-changer for coffee enthusiasts on the move, combining convenience with the luxury of freshly brewed coffee anywhere. These compact devices, like the popular AeroPress or HandPresso, offer a variety of brewing methods from espresso-style shots to drip coffee, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite brew no matter where you find yourself. Designed to be lightweight and durable, they often feature simple, user-friendly mechanisms that require minimal setup and maintenance. Many models are compatible with both ground coffee and coffee pods, catering to individual preferences and providing flexibility in brewing options. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, traveling in a hotel room, or simply commuting to work, a portable coffee maker ensures that a satisfying cup of coffee is always within reach, enhancing the experience of enjoying coffee on the go with its reliable performance and compact design. A portable coffee maker is a versatile companion for those who refuse to compromise on the quality of their coffee. 5. RC FPV Drone with 1080p camera. An RC FPV first-person view drone equipped with a 1080p camera brings the exhilarating experience of flight and immersive aerial photography to enthusiasts and professionals alike. These drones, such as models from DJI, Parrot, or FPV racing specialists, combine cutting-edge technology with robust construction for unparalleled performance. The 1080p camera captures stunning high-definition video and crisp photos, allowing pilots to capture breathtaking aerial perspectives with clarity and detail. Key features often include real-time video transmission to a compatible smartphone or FPV goggles, enabling pilots to see exactly what the drone sees as they maneuver through the sky. This live feed not only enhances the piloting experience but also aids in framing shots or navigating challenging environments with precision. Many RC FPV drones with 1080p cameras are designed for both recreational flying and professional applications like aerial photography, cinematography, or surveying. They offer stability features such as GPS-assisted flight. 4. R400 Retro CD Player. The R400 Retro CD Player blends nostalgic design with modern functionality, appealing to both vintage enthusiasts and contemporary music lovers alike. Its retro-inspired appearance evokes a sense of nostalgia, reminiscent of classic audio equipment from past decades. The exterior often features a sleek, compact design with chrome accents and a retro-style analog interface, complete with physical buttons and dials that harken back to the days when physical media was the primary way to enjoy music. The R400 Retro CD player incorporates advanced technology to ensure high-quality audio performance. It typically includes features such as a top-loading CD tray, which adds to its classic charm while providing easy access to CDs. Many models also come equipped with additional playback options, such as USB ports and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing users to stream music wirelessly from their smartphones or other devices. This versatility caters to modern listening habits while maintaining a retro aesthetic. Sound quality is a crucial aspect of the R400 Retro CD player, often enhanced by advanced digital-to-analog converters, DX, and audio processing technologies. 3. Protect 1206i. The Protect 1206i represents a pinnacle of advanced security technology designed to meet the demanding needs of modern surveillance and protection systems. Engineered with precision and reliability in mind, this state-of-the-art device integrates cutting-edge features to ensure comprehensive monitoring and detection capabilities. Its sleek and robust design houses a sophisticated array of sensors and detectors, enabling it to detect a wide range of threats with unparalleled accuracy. Equipped with advanced signal processing algorithms, the Protect 1206i can pinpoint and analyze suspicious signals across various frequencies, from radio waves to cellular transmissions. This versatility makes it indispensable for detecting illicit eavesdropping devices, hidden cameras, and other covert surveillance equipment. Its intuitive interface allows security professionals to efficiently manage and interpret data, facilitating prompt and informed decision-making in critical situations. 2. OMG GPU. The OMG GPU represents a significant advancement in graphical processing technology, tailored for demanding computational tasks across various industries. Renowned for its formidable performance capabilities, the OMG GPU excels in rendering complex graphics, accelerating scientific simulations, and powering artificial intelligence applications with remarkable efficiency. The OMG GPU harnesses the latest architectural innovations to deliver unparalleled processing power. Its parallel processing prowess allows for rapid data processing and real-time rendering, making it indispensable in fields such as gaming, visual effects production, and scientific research. The OMG GPU integrates advanced cooling solutions to maintain optimal performance under heavy workloads, ensuring reliability even during extended operation. Its compatibility with leading software frameworks and development tools enhances usability, enabling developers and researchers to harness its full potential in pushing the boundaries of innovation. The OMG GPU stands as a testament to cutting-edge technology, bridging the gap between computational power and practical application. Whether using creating immersive gaming experiences or advancing scientific discoveries, it sets a benchmark for performance, reliability, and versatility in the realm of graphical processing units. 1. Ranvu Ace3. The Ranvu Ace3 is a sleek and innovative smartphone accessory designed to enhance user convenience and style. Crafted with a blend of modern aesthetics and practical functionality, the Ace3 serves as a versatile companion for mobile devices, offering robust protection and ergonomic design. One of its standout features is its advanced shock-absorbing technology, which safeguards smartphones from accidental drops and impacts. The Ace3's durable construction includes premium materials that not only protect the phone but also provide a comfortable grip, reducing the risk of slips. The Ace3 is designed with precision-cut openings that allow seamless access to ports, buttons, and cameras, ensuring uninterrupted functionality and user experience. And there you have it, our top 8 coolest gadgets from Amazon that are sure to elevate your tech game. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and gadget updates. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.